Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Pista. In this video I am going to show you how to make blog setup on WordPress. Today's most of the blog creating the blogs by using various online platforms like Blogger, Tumblr, Weebly and many more. You can also create the blogs by using more popular platform of WordPress. WordPress has the two options to make the blogs, that is a WordPress.com and your own hosting. Both are the same for the administration functions. Let's learn how you can create the blogs on your WordPress website. Before start this, you can view how to quick install WordPress on your own hosting training video. The link available on the description section. Now my website has the 4 menus: home, about, education and contact pages. So I have 4 pages. So this is the static page look design. Now I would like to make for the blog post setup. So first you have to log in for the WordPress administration. Then you have to go to post and click on the all post. If you would like to make the blog post of your WordPress setup, so first you have to check it out. The post should be available on this post section. So in my post section, I have 4 posts. So now I would like to make the blog setup in my WordPress site. So I have to go to settings, then click on the readings. Under the reading settings page, you can change the option of your latest post. So if I select the static page, it will be shows for only for the pages. If you choose for the your latest post, the post setup will be displayed in your WordPress. So you can also control the how many posts will be displayed in your home page. You can also select the search engine visibility. So I am discourage the search engine visibility. If you would like to enable the search engine for your website, you have to uncheck this. After setup everything, you have to click on the save changes. So now you have to go to your website, then refresh the page. See, now your website has been changed as the blog post setup. If you click on the link, it will be go for the post page. So this is the blog post setup on your WordPress. Sometimes people would like to maintain the static page as well as add the link of blog post setup. So let's learn how you can set up the static page with blog post link. So you have to go to your administration page, go to settings, reading. Here you have to again maintain for the static page, then choose for the home page as a home, then click on the save. Now your WordPress website shows for that static page only, but we have to add the new page and shows that page as a latest post. So we have to go to pages and click on the add new page. Here we have to add the blogs. Click on the add blog. Under the theme section, you have to click on the post list. Then you have to click on the choose button. They have a lot of options they are provided. I'm choosing the large title option, so I'm choosing this and click on the publish. So after publish, I have to go to menu section by go to appearance and click on the menus. Here the new pages has been added automatically, so you have to make it the order, then click on the save menu. So now you have to refresh the page, so you can check it out. Your WordPress has the static page lookup as well as the added the blogs link. If you click on the blogs link, it will be shows for the latest post. So in this way you can add the blog post setup on your WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.